Stop scrolling for a second. Let me ask you something honestly. Have you ever been up late at night? Phone in your hand, homework unfinished, brain tired, and suddenly you see a video that says, the dark web, the internet. They don't want you to see? And for a moment, your heart beats a little faster. You're curious, you're bored, you're stressed about life, and your brain whispers, what's really hiding there? Stay with me, because the truth about the dark web is way deeper than you think. And the real danger isn't what's online, it's what curiosity does to a tired mind. Why students are drawn to the dark web. Let's be real. Student life is heavy. Classes, assignments, money stress, pressure to figure life out. Your brain is constantly overloaded. And when the brain is tired, it looks for escape. Not textbooks, not productivity videos, something mysterious, something forbidden. That's where the dark web comes in. Not because students are bad, but because the brain loves secrets when life feels boring and overwhelming. Section 1. What is the dark web? First, let's clear the confusion. The internet has 3 layers. 1. Surface web. This is what you use every day. Google, YouTube, Instagram, Wikipedia. Only about 5% of the internet. 2. Deep web. This sounds scary, but it's not. Your email inbox, online banking, college portals, private cloud files, anything behind a login, about 90% of the internet. 3. The dark web. This is the hidden part. You can't access it with Chrome or Safari. You need special software like Tor. It hides identities, it hides locations, it hides activity, and that's where the story really begins. Section 2, the story of the dark web, how it started. Here's the part no one tells you. The dark web didn't start as evil. It started with privacy. In the 1990s, the US government needed a way for spies and journalists to communicate safely. No tracking, no identity leaks, no location tracing. That's how Tor was born. At first, it was about freedom of speech, whistleblowers, journalists in dangerous countries, people exposing corruption. But then something changed. Where anonymity exists, people with bad intentions eventually show up. And slowly, the dark web became a place for both truth and darkness. Section 3. What really exists on the dark web? Let's be honest, not dramatic. Yes, there are illegal things, but not like movies show. No instant hackers, no red screens, no scary pop-ups. What you mostly find is black markets, scams, fake promises, dangerous communities. And here's the psychology part. Most people don't go there to do crimes. They go there because they feel curious, lost, bored, empty, disconnected. That's dangerous because the dark web doesn't attack you physically. It slowly messes with your mind. Section 4. Why the dark web is a trap for students, brain science. Your brain has a system called dopamine. Dopamine spikes when something feels new, risky, secret, forbidden. The dark web hits all 4. So your brain says, just explore a little, then a little more, then again. Not because you're weak, but because your brain is tired and looking for stimulation. And while you're scrolling darkness, your real life gets ignored. Grades drop, sleep breaks, focus disappears, motivation dies. That's the real cost. Section 5. Real life warning. Older brother moment. Let me say this clearly. You don't need the dark web. You're not missing out on knowledge. You're not missing out on success. You're not missing out on freedom. Most people who go deep into it regret it. Because curiosity without direction turns into distraction. And distraction kills dreams silently. I know life feels confusing right now. I know you feel behind. But escaping into darkness won't fix it. Section 6. What to do instead. Practical steps. Here are 3 simple actions you can do today. 1. Replace mystery with purpose. If you're curious, learn something powerful. Psychology, AI, finance basics, Communication skills. Curiosity is not bad. Aim it somewhere useful. 2. Fix your night routine. Most dark web curiosity happens late at night. Set a rule. No random browsing after midnight. Protect your tired brain. 3. Build real control. Start something small daily. 10 minutes reading, 10 minutes walking, 10 minutes planning tomorrow. Control kills chaos. Emotional connect. Very important. If no one told you this before, hear me now. You're not lazy. You're not broken. You're just overwhelmed. And overwhelmed minds chase dangerous curiosity. You don't need darker information. You need clear direction. Conclusion. Strong ending. The dark web isn't powerful. Your mind is. And whatever you feed it, it becomes. Feed it fear. You shrink. Feed it curiosity with purpose. You grow. Choose wisely. Call to action. If this video helped you understand the truth, hit like. If you want more honest videos that protect your future, subscribe.